Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Mazda CX-9 headlight. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from gathering your tools to testing the new bulb. We will cover essential safety tips and provide clear, step-by-step instructions. You will learn how to efficiently replace your headlight, ensuring proper illumination and safe driving. Let's get started with preparing for the task ahead. To access the headlight bulb, you will first need to remove any components blocking your way. This might include an air intake duct or a battery cover, typically held by a few clips or screws. Once clear, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Gently press the release tab and pull the connector straight off. Finally, unclip or unscrew the retaining mechanism holding the old bulb in place. Now, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its housing. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Hold it by the base and insert it into the headlight assembly, ensuring it seats correctly. Once properly aligned, secure the bulb firmly using its retaining clip or by tightening the screws you removed earlier. Before putting everything back together, it is crucial to test the new headlight bulb. Turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the bulb illuminates correctly. Once you verify it is working, proceed to reinstall all the components you removed earlier. Ensure every clip, screw, and cover is securely fastened. Double-check all connections to guarantee a safe and functional headlight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.